24 reasons why you are not getting pregnant. It is a complex thing to pinpoint why a woman is not conceiving. Generally, there is no single factor, but a combination of things. So we asked experts, who gave us the top 24 reasons. Reason 1. Postpone. The most common reason is delaying pregnancy to a late reproduction stage by women, because of the focus on career or family reasons and other personal issues. Reason 2. Damage to the fallopian tubes. This is the root cause of infertility in almost 30% of the cases. When fallopian tubes are blocked, they prevent the sperm from getting to the egg, or block the passage of the fertilized egg into the uterus, thus leading to infertility. Reason 3. Anemic or low hemoglobin. Studies have revealed that women who don't get sufficient amounts of iron may suffer from lack of ovulation, a condition called anovulation. This results in poor egg health, which can inhibit pregnancy at a rate 60% higher than those with sufficient iron stores in their blood. Reason 4. Thyroid problem. Hypothyroidism is associated with a range of reproductive disorders, abnormal sexual development to menstrual irregularities and infertility. Many studies have pointed out that the prevalence of thyroid autoimmunity in patients with infertility, which suggests that there is an increased prevalence of AITD in infertility clinics. Reason 5. Endometriosis. Up to 30% to 50% of women with endometriosis may experience infertility. Medical therapy before attempts at conception can help treat the problem sometimes. In the end, do not forget to join us now to get you all new